Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make my Ewedu and my Gbegiri. When I'm done making the Ewedu and the Gbegiri, I will be serving it with Amala and Buka stew. Alright, you know, the Buka stew is comprises of assorted meats, which is the shaki, roundabout and all of that. And also that fresh looking good fresh fish already soaked into that Buka stew. You know what I'm talking about now. All right, so as well as the cow skin, chopped cow skin that'll be moving from one point to the other. I'm so excited, guys. I'm really so excited because sometimes I eat this out and I enjoy it. All right, so start cooking. Here is my Ewedu leaves. It's looking so beautiful. I've washed it. And here is my beans. I've removed the peel from it. I washed it and you see how beautiful it looks. So first, I'll be starting with my Gbegiri. So first, the beans goes into the pot. All right. And here is my potash. I'll be adding a little quantity of potash in here. I'm adding potash because potash will assist it to cook very well and it will be very, very soft. Potash will actually assist it to be very, very soft because I need these beans to be very, very soft. So I'll add some quantity of water. This quantity is just fine. So I'll just take this and let this heat up for a couple of minutes and we'll be back. Our beans is ready. You can see the level at which the potash assisted the beans to cook. You can see it's so soft. So let's blend this. I'm going to blend this. All right, so if you have that Ewedu broom, my sister, feel free to use the broom. I'm not using the broom. I don't really like that process. I like the blending process. We are done blending the beans. You can see how creamy it looks. You can see how creamy this looks. Before I let this heat, I'll add my seasoning. 1 cube of seasoning is just fine. And salt. Quantity of salt is okay, and my palm oil. Quantity of palm oil. No beans can consume palm oil. I'm sure you know that. All right, I'll just bring this to mix very well. Give this a very good mix. Mix this very, very well. I love Gbegiri. I will heat this up for a little while. For a couple of minutes per se. So let's bring this to heat. You can see the Gbegiri is doing very well. You can see how it looks right now. You don't need to use broom. I actually don't like the broom aspect, okay? That's why I had to use my blender. All right, so if you're making this Gbegiri, you can feel free to put chopped pomo the way it is, locust beans, and spice it up. You can put dried fish. You already put them into pieces and add it up. It's still very okay that way. I won't be adding the cow skin and all of that because I already have that in my Buka stew. So guys, our Gbegiri is ready. You can see how creamy this looks. You can see how creamy. You can see how creamy it looks. Our Gbegiri is ready. So let's quickly go in and let's start up with the Ewedu. We are done making our Gbegiri, so it's time to make our Ewedu. See my Ewedu leaves looking so beautiful and sitting pretty. So this does not have much issues anyways. So I'll just put it inside the pot. All of that. So here is potash. I will add potash to this. I'm adding potash because it will assist it to be sticky. All right. Add some quantity of water. This quantity of water is just fine. So I'll just bring this to heat. I'll light heat for just few minutes. And when it's done, we will be back. Our Gbegiri is cooked. You can see it's already sliming. It's sliming already. I'm supposed to use broom for this as well. Okay, but like I said earlier, I don't like the broom, you know, the broom process. So I'll use my blender again. Just pour this right inside my blender. I'll add my locust beans. I'm blending locust beans together. I don't like seeing locust beans in my food, so that's why I'm blending it together so you can put your locust beans while you're already cooking it on the fire. The choice is yours. I'll just add a little quantity of salt. That's fine. So I'll blend this. I'm done blending the Ewedu. Just pour it straight into the pot. You can see how slimy and smooth this looks. So it doesn't necessarily mean you must use broom before you enjoy Ewedu. You can use your blender and be comfortable with it. Okay. So I'll allow this heat. I'll also allow this heat for a couple of minutes before we enjoy. You can see how our Ewedu is doing. It's doing very, very well. You can see how slimy this looks. The potash actually assisted to be this slimy. All right, our Ewedu is ready. And this brings us to the end of today's episode. Thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, like, share, comment. Turn on the notification post so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Do it to subscribe. Eat healthy, stay healthy. For me is bye and see you next week.